Hey everyone, so as you can tell from the title, we are going to be unboxing my new DJI Neo. So I got this as a Christmas present in 2024. I am so grateful for my brother-in-law. He got me this and let's unbox it. All right, it's so lightweight. Here it also says it works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro X. That's perfect because I use Final Cut Pro. Taking off the sticker. All right, here it is. So, ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so lightweight. It's so lightweight. It fits perfectly in the palm. Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. It's just a sticker and I'm gonna be charging this. Take this off. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, let's see what else it comes with. Here's the box. So there's another small box in here. It comes with like two extra, I don't know what this is called, this spinning thing. Comes with two extra, and they also included the screw, which is amazing. There's the charger wire. It's both type C. I'm pretty sure this is like a manual of how to use it, and then I think these are the stickers. You get the DJI sticker. That's everything you get with the box. So excited. I just saw a few tutorials on how you can do it. Okay, so there is also the DJI app that you can download if you want to control it from your phone. Let's turn it on. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna try.
Dronie, circle, rocket, spotlight, helix, follow, far, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll try it one more time.
Far, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Ooh. All right, you guys. I'm so excited to take this thing out, and this is not going to be like a review or whatever. I was just so excited to do the unboxing, and I'm just gonna show you guys where I take it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's take it outside.
Follow, Dronie, circle, rocket, spotlight, helix.
that was so much fun, and I will be, looking into what more I can do with it, and hopefully in my future YouTube videos I will have more of my drone shots. And the battery only lasts 18 minutes, and you can always buy an additional battery. That's like 30 euros extra. So yeah, if I am traveling, then I will definitely buy the extra battery so that at least I have 30 minutes of flight time with it. And this little guy is going to be so special and amazing, and I'm just so excited to create super dynamic videos. It's literally going to be amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one.